Every woman at some point wonders what men want in a woman. What is the secret to attraction and magnetism? Here are some great list of ways to make him chase you. Guys want a good and nice girl who is naughty only for them. Guys like the girl who takes the lead. Let's be honest, it is difficult for men to keep taking the lead, whether in conversations or decisions while you are together. Guys may be flirting around all day, but before they go to sleep, they always think about the girl they truly care about. Guys like the girl who laughs at their jokes. Let's accept it, men love to make women laugh. They will come up with multiple things, only to bring a smile to a woman's face, and you appreciating that will definitely make his heart flutter. When a guy truly likes you, he will disregard all your bad characteristics. When a girl maintains the eye contact, guys think it is probably one of the most intimate things that can ever exist in the world. When a guy keep asking you the same question, he is wondering why you are lying. When a guy hugs you while you are sleeping, at that moment, he is wishing you would belong to him forever. Guys usually go for girls based on looks, but in the long run, it's personality that wins the battle. Guy likes a girl with a good sense of humor. Boys judge on looks only, men judge on personality. Guys want a girl who has her own life, her interests, her own goals, and who lives by her own rules. Guys don't want girls who are needy, clingy, drama queens, and always in the middle of some chaotic episode. Guys get turned on by a woman who is confident and comfortable in her own skin. Guys normally don't talk about serious stuff, but when they do listen, they are up to something. Guys love it when you wear their t-shirt. What's more, the fact that you're sharing clothes makes them feel even closer to you. When a guy is willing to go out with your family and let you go out with his, he probably has let you into his heart. Guy like a girl who is empathetic and understanding. When a guy wants to start flirting on the phone, he will usually say something like, "So, what are you wearing?" Guys love it when you act natural. If a guy calls you hot, he is looking at your body. Pretty, he is looking at your face. Beautiful, he is looking at your inside out. Guys like a girl who can make their own decisions. A guy would waste his time over video games and basketball the way girl would do over her romance, novels and makeups. Guys love it when their girlfriends dress up for them. Girl, when you exchange the number with a guy, he is usually waiting for you to call first. Guys like it when you bite your lips. It's a flirty yet cute gesture that shows you that she likes you and wants to be with you. Guys love it when you ask their opinion on important issues. Guys love it when you get along with their parents and friends.